In the name of Allah, the most gracious, the most merciful, here we have to deal today with our new program online using Tabarak website, Tabarak school website with you, teacher Muhammad al-Badri, grade 9 mathematics teachers here. And
how are you, my dear students? I am Mr. Muhammad al-Badri, teaching grade 9 bilingual. Welcome to our private school Tabarak. From our educational platform, we have to thank our chairman, Mr. Yunus Rahbi, who gives us this wonderful chance to contact with our dear students. And our lesson today is trigonometric unit. How could we find the side of an angle of a right angle triangle using trigonometric? If we need to find it, we have to make quick revisions for the trigonometric ratios. What is the trigonometric ratios again? Any angle in acute angle in the right angle triangle lies between two sides. The longest is hypotenuse and the shortest is adjacent, and the third side becomes opposite side. Sin x equals opposite over hypotenuse, and cosine x equals adjacent over hypotenuse, and tan x equals opposite over adjacent. For the first example, before we take it, we have to know how could we find the size of any angle, of any acute angle, using the trigonometric ratios, because we will need the calculator to find it. So to find the size of an angle using trigonometric ratios, you use the calculator for one of these three methods. The first, shift sine the size of the angle. The second, shift cosine the size of the angle. The third, shift sine the size of the angle. So we have the first exercise. Example 1, find the size of the angle marked with theta. Here we have a triangle yxz or xyz, any name, and the chosen angle is z. So if the chosen angle is z, here we have z lies between two sides. The longest is 5 hypotenuse, which is yz, and the shortest is xz, which is 3 centimeters, the adjacent. So now it's very important to know how could we find the theta. If we want to find the angle, we have to make a relationship between what we have, what do we want. We have the hypotenuse and the adjacent. We want to find the angle. So the relation between the adjacent and the hypotenuse is cosine. So cosine theta equals 3 over 5. And if you want to find theta, remember that theta equals shift, using calculator, shift cosine 3 over 5 equal, we will have it 53.1 degree. Again, for example 2, find the side of the angle marked with theta in this figure. Here theta is z, lies between two sides. The longest is hypotenuse and the shortest is adjacent. So the third one is opposite. So the relationship between what we have and what we want. We have opposite and hypotenuse, sine, and we want to find theta. So sine theta equals sine, and we want to find theta. So sine theta equals 12 over 13, opposite over hypotenuse. And using the fourth step, shift sine 12 over 13 equals, we will have theta equal 67.3 degree. Now for the next example, find the side of the angle marked with theta. Here we have the chosen angle is z, and we have z lies between. The longest side is yz, the hypotenuse, and the adjacent is xz, which is adjacent, and the third is the opposite. So what is the relationship between what we have and what we want? We have opposite and adjacent, and we want to find theta. So what is the relationship between them? The relationship here is tan. Why? Because we have opposite and adjacent. So if we need to find theta, it will be shift tan 7 over 9. So tan theta equals 7 over 9, the ratio, and theta equals shift tan 7 over 9 becomes 73.8. So now we will have our homework to make practice for what we just studied. Here we have 3 triangles. Please do it in your home, and we will see it when we come back from the holiday. And thank you for your listening. See you in next lesson, and bye bye. Bye bye.
Thank you for listening to our explaining, and I hope that you enjoy our explaining now. And the homework, you can find it on the website using the Moodle program. Thank you very much.